Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have another one that we haven't seen across the desk here. Let me get a little more light on this situation. We've got another one we haven't seen come across the desk here. And this is a Timex Ironman. They call them a rugged, I want to say Blackout. They're referred to a lot. They have the black back dial across the digital numbers. The Indiglo has a night mode, which is really cool. It's going to be hard for you to see that probably since I got a bunch of light on here. I think I am going to switch to this one as one of my daily wears. The only problem with this one is it's got this nice scratch in the crystal right here. I'll keep working on buffing that out. It's starting to come out a little bit. I'm going to work on that one a little more. What I was previously wearing was this one, this Ironman. Let me see if I can get it down here a little closer. I like this one. The band, I'm not so sure about yet. It just doesn't quite go in a circle very well around my wrist, and it tends to hang down and pop out and all that. But I don't know. I do like this watch. I love Ironmans. You probably do too if you're watching this video. But really cool watch. You know, I think it's got like what, 30 lap, 100-hour chronograph. All these crazy modes. It's got a lot of other things you have in newer Ironmans that you wouldn't have in older ones. You can customize your menu and get rid of things that are you don't want there anymore. I think I don't know. Honestly I never really do that stuff. But just know that you can probably do those stuff. You can get online and figure all this out. Now, this one is a little different than my previous one. There's a set recall button here. We got a recall button here. We got mode over here, stop, Indiglo, start split. So the buttons are a little bit different. They're the same function, I think, just they look a little different. These are out more. This watch is obviously larger. We'll get some specs on that. But first, let's get in and see if we can figure out how to set this time. I do see a set right there. So let's go ahead and hold that to set. Now we're on set. Now we can probably use our stop button to go change. Yes. And then our mode button to get to different. So let's hit our mode to go time 1. There we go. And then let's say it's 7:52. Let's just say AM. We're on P. You can see the P right there. So let's go 7:52 AM. We're going to leave it at 52. We're going to leave it at 51. 9. Yeah, let's leave it at 9:15 AM. Yeah, year 2022. Time 12 hour. Date, month and day. Yeah, if we want to change that, we would just hit that stop button. Chime off, definitely. Beep off, definitely. Chrono hide, sure. Timer on. Let's go ahead and set that off. Yeah, let's hide. Nah, let's leave it on. Why not? Occasion hide. Alarm 1 hide. So these are how you can hide these menu options. Alarm 2 hide. Alarm 3 set time 1. Okay, so now we're going to press our set button again, and we're right back at it. There's that Indiglo again if you want to see that. But let's get a couple specs on this one. Let me get my caliper out of here. I got a different caliper. Put the metal one back down into the workbench area because I don't want to scratch my watches. So this one has a plastic measuring part of it. So let's go ahead and do the case without the buttons. We're at about 44 millimeters. Lug to lug, we're at about 42. Case thickness, we're pretty thick. We're almost to 13 and a half. Let's go with our width of our band. It's about 20, a little over 20. So you can see it's really it looks much beefier, I'll say, than this regular Ironman here. That's why I like it. That's why I want to switch over to it. Of course, I'm probably going to hit it on doorways and pathways and you name it, but we're going to try it out. The model number on this one is T5K793. Again, an Ironman triathlon watch made by Timex. You can tell these newer ones. It does use a 2025 battery. When it gets time to change that battery, I'll definitely do a video on that. I know just in the past when I've done some of these Ironmans, not this one especially, but the ones that have the bands that come over the stainless steel back, sometimes it's easier just to get your spring bar tool in there and just get that band off temporarily, and then remove those and get it out. Because sometimes if you don't do that, you'll get a gap when you put your back on, and you get water in there, and that's pretty frustrating. So just another quick tip we have. But yeah, I love this watch. Going to switch to it. Let's get some shots on the wrist, and we'll end this one here. Quick time set video. That's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.